And here we have a bent door closer pin. This does not let the door close and open as it should. And so we're going to do a simple repair procedure. And you can see that I removed the old closer. I just removed the small pin from the bracket based in the door jamb. And I pulled out the long slender pin out of the bracket connected to the door. Our next step is that we put the stop pin or piece on the closer, and then we insert the closer in the bracket at the wall. Turn the cylinder so that it is with the holes closer to the door, and then pull out on the cylinder slightly and slide the stop up the shaft. Sorry for the bouncing camera. I'm doing this with one hand. Then we insert the closer into the door end, line up, which is why we put the stop on it. We line up the closer so that the pins will go through the door closer and through the bracket. And once we have that lined up, we now have our door closer working again. And we just open it, slide the pin back, and watch the closer do what it's designed to do. And it does have adjustments. There's a screw on the end at the door side that allows you to adjust the tension and the speed. Which I will now do, because as you see, it's not wanting to pull it, even though the closer is not totally. Not totally compressed yet, but it's pulling the door shut now. And it's definitely a slow procedure. And there we are.